be, must, come to put you where you belong.
This is the only first step into your journey, Malachi. I do not possess the knowledge of your partner, but I know it to be important. You need not to fear. I don't need a hero. I need a champion. Someone with nothing left to lose.
Whose footprint?
Okay. Doing good. You can handle some grand destiny, Malachi. Easy.
The footprint is... Luxio?
Well, it can't be! The gap there isn't even that large!
Oh yeah? Why are the paw pads yellow then?
They're white! He's gotta be a sphinx!
I'm telling you, he's a Luxio!
Sphinx!
Luxio!
Sphinx!
Oh, I got it! He's half a ball!
Yeah, I'm a Shinx. It's not that hard.
My champion, why do you run from our destiny? Running like a baby was not a part of the plan.
I know it's not part of the plan, Maelstrom. Look, how can I expect myself to be taken seriously if Pokemon can't even decide what species I am?
Who cares of your species? For you are a champion.
I care, because I am hardly champion material. Besides, I'm not really strong, or brave, or smart. Actually, I take that back. I'm a genius.
You are.
Hey, how about you send me a sign for once? Isn't that what spirit guides are supposed to do? Oh my god. Are they dead? Do they need help?
I have sent you a sign, my champion.
You did this?
There was one of those jokes. I cannot do anything because I'm a rock.
Can you be serious for once? They might be really hurt. Just be quiet for a bit. I don't want talking rocks to freak them out.
As you wish, baby boy.
Don't call me that. Hey, are you... Ah! Ah! Hey, it's alright. Just breathe. I'm not gonna hurt you. Again. Sorry. It's just... Well, you look half dead. You're a Vulpix, right? But you don't have any coloration. Even ice variants have some color. Not to mention, whatever is going on with your arm there. I'm no doctor, but can I take a look at it? That's odd. It looks like it only stopped bleeding recently. I wonder if Vulpix are known for fast healing. I've seen some around here, but none like that look like you. Like, you're pretty old to still have only one tail, right? Hey, maybe there's a problem with your aura. It explained why your fur is so dull. Hey, where are you going? We need to get you help. Wait, stop! That's a mystery dungeon. You'll get lost. Come on, I didn't mean to.
Oh, you didn't mean it to step on me? How do you step on a whole Pokemon by accident?
You were so close to the ground. Oh, you came back. Quick, this way. Wait, are you thinking? This cave is a mystery dungeon. It's dangerous. You could have been hurt, or worse, and I was being obnoxious again, wasn't I? But still, it's not safe, especially if you're injured. How'd you end up on the sand anyway? Vulpix? Oh, I didn't mean to go so formal, but you didn't give me your name. Oh, you can't talk. I wish you told me sooner. I'm just been rambling. I got it. Let's do charades. Well, I'm sorry, but charades is only our option. Unless you can write? Oh, that's nice and all, but I can't read this. Do you not know how to write in common? Well, charades it is. Hello. You don't remember someone used X's on you, or... What? That... What? Can't speak and have amnesia, huh? Sounds weird. But using my brilliant deduction skills, I can find out exactly what happened to you. Seeing as there was a huge storm last night, reasons shows that you have fallen into the ocean after bonking your head. It would explain your injuries, amnesia, and also the mutinous? Close enough, right? Oh, the crabby are out blowing bubbles. Whoa, we're not doing this again. You need real help. And if you're gonna get it, the local guild is your best bet. And I insist you stay with me in the meantime. I can't live with myself if I knew you were out there without memories, a voice, or anything. Please, let me help you. It's what friends are for. Yay! Best friends! And as best friends, we don't have to call each other by species names anymore. So you can call me Malachi instead of Jinx, whatever. Oh. You still need a name though. And I got the perfect one. Rune. It works on so many levels. I mean, there's the obvious being that you write in cool ancient runes or something. Also, 1002 baby name says Rune means secret, which I think could fit your potentiality, dark, thrilling backstory. Pretty good, eh? I'm a bit of a wordsmith. Yeah. Oh, we're here. That wasn't too bad of a walk, right? So, I only have one bed. But lucky for you, there's a field of plenty of grass here that you can use to make your own bed. I'll work on the cuisine in the meantime. That's dinner.
My champion, I wish to end this cruel wall of silence you have placed upon me.
Fine, but you can't talk around Rune, okay? Not until I know she's, cool.
She appears to be much cooler than you could ever aspire to be.
You know what I mean. She just ran head first into a dungeon.
I recall. I was so shocked I almost called out. But I upheld my silence just for you.
Well, thanks for that, at least.
Why do you wish to help her? I immediately feel uneasy around her.
The same reason I'm helping you, Maelstrom. I want to help her regain her memories.
What did I expect to happen? So that's what I look like? Then why does it feel like me?
Run! Dinner's ready!